I hope you enjoyed my case study, and I encourage you to try out the methods that I showed you in this course. And also, don't be afraid to test out different variations because I know everybody is different, everybody's business is different, and also it all depends on the affiliate product that you're promoting. It might require changes to the strategy. So I've just started promoting a new product launch, and the way I've set up the funnel is different, and I didn't even create my own bonuses for this new product launch that I'm promoting. I'm just using the bonuses that were provided to me by the vendor, and also I'm using the bonus page that was provided to me. So, if you want to test things out, then go ahead and use the bonuses that are provided for you. Although I do believe, if you do have the time and you create your own bonuses, your own unique bonuses, you will be more successful. Now, I also didn't make any sales videos for my new campaign for the landing page. So if you're afraid to make sales videos or you don't know how, don't worry. You don't have to make sales videos. And as for my thank you page for the new funnel that I've just built, I'm just using the bonus page that was provided to affiliates. Okay, and you also don't have to promote a product launch that lasts only for a few days. You could look for an affiliate product that's evergreen so that you can continue to drive traffic to your funnel for weeks, months, or even years and build a big list with it. And also in my case study, I used solo ads for my traffic. And like I said, there are various traffic sources out there. So if you can't afford solo ads, you could use free traffic sources such as social media, blogging, YouTube, etc.